LG presents 687 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. It has a 687 liters capacity, which is suitable for families with 5 or more members. LG's inverter linear compressor maintains the temperature with very minimal variations. Further, the multi-airflow cooling feature ensures that the cooling is even throughout the refrigerator. LG Smart Think mobile app lets you control the fridge through a smartphone. The Smart Diagnosis system effectively detects any problem in the fridge that might affect its operation. The multi-digital sensors monitor both internal and external temperatures to keep consistent temperature inside the fridge. The shelves are made of toughened glass. This product comes with installation/demo. You can avail no-cost EMI and schedule a delivery at your convenience. You can also get exchange offer on this product.